Hello everyone, this is Handmade. After the epic explosion of the motorhome, I started making a new model out of clay, and this is the BMW M5 F90. I'll show you what stage I'm at right now. In these short videos, I'll be showing you the car while it's still being sculpted, not just when it's fully finished. So, the BMW M5 F90. I'm making it out of sculpting clay, and mostly from very hard NSP clay. I decided to make this model very detailed, and I'm working on every part as precisely as possible. At the moment I've made the underside of this BMW, the entire rear part, door parts, the front bumper, and added the roof pillars. Since I couldn't find any photos of the underside of this car, I had to look for an unboxing of a scale model of the M5, and that's how I found out what the underside of the M5 looks like. I sculpted it based on that photo. It was pretty difficult to make the rear part, and I examined this model in Forza Horizon 4 from every possible angle to capture the correct curves and shapes. The exhaust pipes are made from plastic tubes. They might be a bit bigger than the original ones, but that's not a big deal. Maybe it will even look more aggressive because of the large exhaust. I spent about an hour just thinking about how to start making the front bumper, because it has a pretty complex shape. But after all that thinking, I finally got to work, and in the end, I managed to make similar shapes. This isn't the final look, I'll keep working on it. I made the roof pillars out of wire, covering them with modeling clay. There is also foil in the model, which I used to make the structure more rigid. It's on the bottom and on the door parts. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time and are interested in my work. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.